Dear all, in this video I'll be discussing about the second part of important days. It may be useful for various competitive examination. Let us have the discussion. World Radio Day is observed on. And the second one is World Earth Day. Third one is World Malaria Day. Then International Red Cross Day. World Refugee Day. Commonwealth Day. World No Tobacco Day. World Ocean Day. International Yoga Day. International Olympic Day. All are very important. In continuation with the discussion, World Radio Day is observed on. It's on 4th February. Okay, you can remember this point. World Earth Day is observed on 22nd April. Okay, this is also very important. World Malaria Day is observed on. That is on 25th April. Moving on to fourth question. International Red Cross Day is celebrated on dash. That is on 8th May. Okay, International Red Cross Day. So please note down these points in your diary or notebook where you are going to prepare. Question number 5. World Refugee Day is celebrated on dash. Just try to find out the answer. It's on 20th May. I haven't given the option. However, you can able to directly give the answer for this. Option is not available. Question number 6. Commonwealth Day is observed on. You have heard about Commonwealth country. India is one of the member of Commonwealth country and Britain also. Okay. Commonwealth Day is observed on. That is on 24th May. 24th May. Very important. Commonwealth Day. Then World No Tobacco Day is observed on 31st May. That's also ultimately important. Okay. 31st May. And World Ocean Day is celebrated on 8th June. And World Environment Day, you all know, that is on June 5th. That's why I haven't added that. World Ocean Day, that is on 8th June. World Environmental Day, that's celebrated on 5th June. Okay, that's a common importance of that particular day. Everybody know that. That's why I haven't added. Question number 9. International Yoga Day is celebrated on. International Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st June. Okay, 21st June. That's also important. Yoga Day, 21st June. International Olympic Day is celebrated on. That is on 23rd June. 23rd June. Okay, I have discussed the important days, at least 10 important days. In the coming session, I'll be continuing with the discussion on important days. Hope the session is useful. Keep learning. Thank you for listening to this video.